Okay, everybody, it is about 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, September 11th, and we're looking at the pound on a daily bar. If you haven't seen this week's weekly wrap, I actually posted it late. I did it this morning, and then I just got it on the website this afternoon. You're going to want to take a look at that because I added on an area here. I made some adjustments to this area here, and I described this middle area a little bit more. You're going to want to check it out. I spent quite a bit of time going over the process of trading and how you can look at these types of rectangles, how to create them, and then also how to trade them. So I'm not going to talk about the fact that they're here. You can go ahead and look at the weekly wrap for that. It's on the website now. Really, there's not much to do as far as trading is concerned. You can see, let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. You can see that over the past couple of weeks, trading has been very, very tight, meaning there has been a very short range from open to close on every daily session. The area that I'm really interested in right here is this small consolidation area here. What I can see is that the market has built a level of support at this point. And anytime you see the market make this type of sideways move, you've got to start watching out for a possible move up into an area where the market makers are then going to look to go short. And I went through this exercise a little bit on the weekly wrap, but you can see the area over here. The market moved up considerably. We can just go back quickly and see the market came down, moved sideways, and then moved down. So the market was building up a resistance area here in order to move down. So as individuals are getting sucked into the market because it's moving up, the market makers wind up getting short and then eventually pressure the market down. If you look over here, the market moves up. In this case, the market makes a shelf here, and the market makers push the market up. The attempted penetration here doesn't succeed. The market moves up. Here's sideways action. The market moves down. Sideways action. The market moves up. So what we've got to realize is that we can't predict where the market's going to go based on a sideways move like this. What we can start to look for is the market breaking out. I will say that this breakout is rather lackluster. You can see that the market's pushing down on both of these prior sessions. And today was actually, if you look here, there's the Monday session, very, very weak. This actually looks like a topping pattern here. So going into the session for tomorrow, London session, if you're going to be up and watching this thing, I would definitely look out for the market pushing back into this area here, possibly even a sneak attack, pushing into the resistance area up here. The resistance area runs from about 2341 up to about 2465. So there's a pretty big range here, almost 120 pips from top to bottom. So if you're up and you're watching this thing, by all means watch for, again, the market pushing up either into this resistance area and dying off, or if you see the market gaining some acceleration, watch for the little dipper as the market comes into this area here. And then, of course, coming into the New York session, any kind of continuation with the market moving down, watching out for penetration of this 2100 level, or I guess that's 2.0100, all the way down here. Whoops, I'm sorry. This over here, 2.0170, down to this area, which is penetration into the 2.0100 level, depending on how the momentum gears off. Remember, if you see a big bar like this, you're probably looking at a short-term reversal, especially if it can get up into this area here. Again, we're in a time of volatility. Be careful of the whipsaws. Watch out for the market making sudden turns. Watch out for the sneak attacks as the market penetrates back to the upside or possibly pushes down past a prior low very, very quickly. Make sure you don't get sucked in along with that. Wait for your entries. Watch for the patterns.